Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Mustang Island, Texas, a beautiful coastal destination that offers a perfect mix of natural beauty and outdoor adventure. As we travel through the island on our way to Port Aransas Beach, you'll notice the unique charm and relaxed atmosphere that make this place special. Mustang Island is one of the barrier islands along the Texas Gulf Coast, stretching about 18 miles long and offering a variety of landscapes, from sandy beaches to coastal grasslands. The island got its name from the wild horses that once roamed here, adding to the area's wild and untamed feel. Although the horses are no longer present, the name serves as a reminder of the island's rich history and natural heritage.
Thank you very much.
Mustang Island is connected to the mainland by the JFK Causeway, making it easily accessible for visitors looking to escape to a peaceful coastal retreat. As we drive through the island, you'll see a mix of coastal scenery, including dunes and wetlands, which are home to a variety of wildlife. The island is a great spot for bird watching, as it attracts numerous species, especially during migration seasons. The area is also popular for fishing, with many opportunities to cast a line in the Gulf of Mexico or the nearby bays and channels. Our journey takes us to Port Aransas Beach, a main attraction on Mustang Island. Port Aransas, often called Port A by locals, is a friendly beach town known for its laid-back vibe and beautiful shoreline. The beach offers plenty of space for swimming, sunbathing, and beachcombing, as well as activities like kayaking and paddleboarding. The warm waters and gentle waves make it a perfect spot for families and anyone looking to enjoy the coastal lifestyle. We hope you enjoy this scenic drive through Mustang Island, Texas. Whether you're here for a day or a longer stay, the natural beauty and welcoming atmosphere of this area are sure to leave a lasting impression.
Thanks for watching!